traders, and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Cathy Rankin, and the weekend is over. It's time to get back to work. So for Monday, February 5th, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets as well as the top movers to look out for today. In our headline news, the major averages finished in split fashion on Friday, indicative of the divide among investors as to what today's encouraging employment data mean for federal policy. Before the bell, the Labor Department showed that only 111,000 non-farm payrolls were added in January. Since that was weaker than the consensus estimate and below the average gain of 153,000 per month for all of 2006, some investors viewed the news as a bit bearish. Throw in the Dow closing at record levels for a fifth straight time this year, a day earlier, and the S&P 500 on pace for its best weekly performance since August, and a sense that blue chips may be overbought at current levels, offered sellers an excuse to take some money off of the table. The Dow snapped a three-day winning streak. Be that as it may, looking beyond the headline read of lower payrolls did in fact show that the Fed is doing a fairly good job of managing a soft landing for the economy. Upon further analysis, an upward revision to previous data left the December figure at a strong 206,000, which equates to an additional 39,000 jobs. Add that to a January figure that is also likely to be revised higher, and the net two-month gain was exactly what the economist's January forecast of 150,000 assumed. With investors now more preoccupied with inflation rather than the pace of economic growth, the report's hourly earnings component garnered even closer attention. To the market's surprise, average hourly earnings rose just 0.2%, following a downward revision to the previous month, and lowered the year-to-year gain to 4%. That was good news since it does not reflect the inflationary wage pressures that the Fed remains concerned about. In our small cap news today, the Quality Stocks Daily highlights Global Developments Incorporated as the one to watch for next week. Global Developments Incorporated, a venture capital company formed to create a unique investment vehicle representing a growing portfolio of innovative and emerging growth-oriented companies, announced an update with respect to PetroSun Incorporated, an oil exploration company in which Global holds an equity stake. PetroSun Incorporated announced Friday that the field testing of the cultivation of algae for biodiesel production is now in the final stages. PetroSun's current operations are concentrated in the Arkansas, Louisiana, Texas region, with plans to expand into New Mexico, Arizona, Utah, and Australia in 2007. Now, Secure Computing Corporation shares surged today after the network security products maker beat Wall Street's forecast for fourth quarter profit. The fourth quarter earnings totaled $5.3 million or 7 cents a share, topping Wall Street estimates. Shares have traded in the range of $4.82 and $15.23 in the past year. Secure Computing develops network security solutions that enable organizations to exchange information with their customers, partners, and employees. Previously at $6.75 a share, Secure Computing opens their week at a very healthy $8.86 a share, with nearly 9 million shares traded by Friday's close. Visa Technology Incorporated yesterday reported positive results for the first quarter of fiscal 2007, which ended on December 29th of 2006. The company reported a fiscal first quarter net profit of $1.13 million or 7 cents a share. In the same quarter of last year, the company had posted a net loss of $4.63 million or $1.25 a share. Revenue surged to $62.2 million from $28.9 million. Wow. Visa Technology Incorporated engages in the design, manufacture, sale, and support of semiconductor capital equipment and process technologies for the semiconductor industry and related markets. Previously at $4.44 a share, Visa starts their week up 35% at $6 a share, with over 1 million shares traded by Friday's close. And that's it for the newsmakers. Be sure to join us every market day for the latest commentary on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. Also, make sure you watch for the Quality Stocks Daily Newsletter, which is available each trading day through QualityStocks.net. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Cathy Rankin. Have a great day, and we'll see you again tomorrow on our daily report.
This transmission is coming to you. You've got it.